With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, we have got an MCQ type question here. In this question we will see it is generally asked when any solution passes through a cation exchange resin that is in acidic form, H hydrogen ion of the resin is replaced by the cations of the solution. A solution containing 0.319 grams of an isomer with molecular formula CrCl3.6H2O is passed through a cation exchange resin in acidic form. The eluted solution requires 19 cm³ of 0.125 N NaOH. The isomer is. So we have given a question in which any solution when passed through the cation exchange resin, in its acidic form, that hydrogen ion is replaced with the cations of the solution. So what we have given is 0.319 grams of CrCl3.6H2O is passed through a exchange resin, that is cation exchange resin in acidic form. So we have given that the eluted solution requires 19 cm³ of 0.125 N NaOH. So we have to find out the isomer. So generally we will first see number of moles of the given complex. We will find out number of moles of the complex. It will be our first step. So we will see here 0.319 divided by total molar mass, that is by calculating you can find out 248.5. So you will get here approximately around 0.0012. That will be the number of moles of the complex. And in the next step what we will do, here we will find out number of millimoles of NaOH used. Number of millimoles of NaOH used. So we will see how to find out this. In this you will generally take 0.215, it's a 0.125 which is given in the question, into 28.5. So that will be approximately around 3.6 millimole. So we got here our both the equation. So from this we will get that here it is 0.0012 and here it is 3.6 millimoles. That means we will mention the statement here. Every mole of the complex gives 3 moles of acid. That is, each mole of a complex gives 3 moles of the acid. So from this we get that there are 3 chloride ions which are ionizable. 3 ionizable chloride ions. So from this we get that the formula could be CrH2O whole 6, it will be in square bracket, and the ionizable ions will be Cl3. So it will be our required complex. So we can call this as hexa aqua chromium 3 chloride. So for that we will see our correct option will be option number 2. The rest of the options, they are theoretically incorrect. So thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.